In this guide, we are going over the best ROG Xbox Ally settings for Call of Duty Black Ops 6, Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before even launching Black Ops 6 or Black Ops 7, go ahead and press the Command Center button or get loaded into your Command Center. And once you're in your Command Center, there's a few settings that you're going to want to change here as well. Begin by going into Performance, making sure that you have turbo mode selected, specifically the 25 watt turbo mode, but essentially make sure that you have this selected, and it will cause your fans to run a little bit louder, but trust me, you will get so much better FPS. Now for handheld mode, in terms of resolution, what I would recommend doing, and you can actually change this if you back out, go to general and then go to device info, and then there's a display option there. You could change it to 720p for the best performance, or you could get 900p for good balance. Docked mode, 1080p is going to be better. Mine's currently docked, so I'm going to keep it at that. And for the FPS limit, what I would recommend doing is putting it to around 90 to 120 FPS, but you got to make sure that you're on that 120 hertz refresh rate and that your monitor supports it as well. Obviously 60 FPS is stable and smooth, but 90 FPS is great for competitive balance, and 120 FPS is extremely possible at 720p or 900p. In the game itself, go to the graphics settings and make sure that you have full screen borderless on. For the monitor, just keep it at the default. For VSync, turn that off, and for anti-lag, go ahead and turn that off as well, but you could test this around yourself. For quality, put it on minimum. It actually looks surprisingly good, especially in handheld mode. The game is super well optimized. And for upscaling, turn AMD FSR 1 on. And then finally, for FOV, switch it to whatever you'd like. But that is it. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point that this guide did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.